Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can change the auto lock screen time on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Display and Brightness. Next, in here, we go down and then tap on Auto Lock. Tap on that, and from the list here, you could choose between 30 seconds to a maximum of 5 minutes or never. If you select never, then the screen always stay on. Now, I wouldn't recommend you to select this option at all because the screen doesn't get you switch off, and that can deplete your battery fairly quickly. Now by default, it is set to the shortest time, which is 30 seconds. This is the default settings. If you want your screen to stay on a little bit longer, say 2 minutes or 3 minutes, you can select that option as well. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.